Hi, this is me, I'm Hermuz from Vivian Hairstyles in Spain. I have here with me Yvonne from England.
Hi.
Yes. Yes, Yvonne, you want to
I'm
say?
Yvonne from England.
Yes.
And I'm in a salon in Spain, and my friend here is doing my hair in rollers to show you how hair is done in rollers.
See, I have here Yvonne, she has lovely nice hair. We're gonna roll the hair. So we part little bit here, we take some here and we put little bit, in the beginning, little bit big rollers. Second roller here. See, we put the first rollers, they are a little bit big to cover this hole, so we can put one extra here. So this one we put it little bit. See, come back here and put the rollers. Yes, so we finished the side, so we're gonna go to this side. So we cover this hole, put in one roller and come back here and put the roller. Take the second. And this one we will take small ones. Lovely, nice rollers. Okay. Don't take it too much here because otherwise you will lose the volume very fast. So you put some rollers here. Yes, and then we take some of here. See, come back here, very nice, and just part little bit from here. Come back here to the opposite side and put the rollers. See, we're gonna go to the other side. Put this rollers. Come the hair and rollers. See, here we're gonna put two. Come the hair. Lovely, nice. Yes. Lovely, nice rollers. Take some hair, comb the hair, and put some rollers. As you see, you start with the biggest one and then you go to the smaller rollers. So, take some hair. As much rollers you put in the hair, and that much you get movement and volume in the hair. So if you put little bit rollers, you lose the volume faster. See, very nice, lovely. And Yvonne come from England here to put the nice, lovely rollers. And tonight she got to party, so she wanna be beautiful, huh, Yvonne?
Yes, I'm going to a dinner party this evening.
Dinner party, so nice, lovely party. So try to put little bit here. As you see, when we go down, you put little bit rollers, but small rollers. You start with bigger rollers, and you go to the smaller rollers.
And this style is very good for elderly people.
Yes, exactly. Beautiful, nice hairstyle, easy and simple, and it stays long time beautiful, especially here in Spain. It's very hot here, so you need to make the hair really stay for a long time perfect. See, comb the hair and down. So beautiful, nice. very easy and simple to put the rollers, comb the hair and down. So we go now, start here, take some hair and put the roller.
So manageable to do at home.
Exactly. And here, little bit rollers. So here, some hair. And roller. Here you have little bit here. One roller. Yes. Here, this is the last one. So we take little bit here of here. Put one roller. And this one also. The last roller. Okay, as you see, we put smaller rollers, little bit big and more big in front, because we're gonna give little bit movement and volume here on the hair. Yes, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hairstyles with Yvonne. Yeah, we're trying to show you how we put the rollers here. I wish we like it. Yeah, Yvonne, you want to say something to everybody there in the ward?
It's very quick and usually quite successful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We will see you later for finishing touch. Yes? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye. Hi, it's me, Amal. I'm still here with Yvonne. I'm going to show you after we finish all the rollers, we're going to put just little bit hair lock on. Very soft keratina hair lock in the hair, and after finishing that, we put her down the machine 30 minutes. Yes? Thank you very much. We will see you later. Bye-bye. Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz, again from Vivian Hair Design. I still have with me here Yvonne from England. As you see, we have put the rollers inside and she just finished with drying 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you now how to take the rollers from the hair. So take one rollers and softly and very gently. You see, very nice, lovely rollers. Yeah. So, very easy and simple, and they are now dry. You see, when they are dry, you see there is little bit spaces here. So just gently, nice, beautiful. You can do that many times. Just put the rollers in your hair. Especially here in Spain, it's very hot weather. Many ladies, they put rollers and they sit in the garden and the hair is dry. Because it's very hot here, see? So as you see, nice, beautiful rollers, yeah. This was the rollers, yeah. And to brush the rollers, we can use this and that, yeah. This comb and this brush. So what do you do is comb the rollers and brush it. Comb the rollers and brush the hair. Comb and the brush. Comb the rollers and brush the hair. Easy and simple. To make it little bit loose, one by one, we go here. Comb the rollers and brush. Here the same. See, nice, lovely hair, very nice, beautiful. And this side the same. I'm combing the rollers and brush directly, automatically, nice, beautiful. So what we did, we brushed the hair this side. Yes. Now we finished. We're gonna brush the hair the opposite side. So we comb the hair the opposite side, and we brush. Just to make it more loose, the rollers places, so you don't see that we put rollers in your hair. So after finishing brushing the hair the opposite side, we go now brush the hair normal way. Beautiful, you see, very nice, lovely movement in the hair. So we go here, beautiful. Now we're gonna style it in the way she wanna wear it, the hair. Yes, lovely, nice, easy and simple. See, very nice. See, so you don't see the places where we put the rollers. It's nice, beautiful and very attractive. Yeah, so you see, this is the effect of the style. So what we're gonna do, we comb the hair very loose, we leave it a little bit loose, and the movement is inside, and it's beautiful and nice. Yeah, So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put just a little bit here, Laka. Just because Yvonne, she like it little bit loose and little bit curly, and we don't need to back home nothing. You see? Yes. See? To make very nice line here. Beautiful, huh, Yvonne? How do you feel?
I feel as if when I see the mirror, I think I'm going to really like it. I think the rollers will be the answer in future for me.
The answer future, exactly. See? Here, just a little bit nice and lovely style, easy and simple to wear. Yes, yeah. So this is the result of the style. Nice and lovely and beautiful curls. And just, she liked the curls, so we don't need to back home, nothing. Just little bit movement in the hair. You see, beautiful. Because she have fine hair, we want to make like it feels more hair and beautiful and nice and easy. So this is the result from Yvonne hairstyle. So we just tried to show you how we do the rollers in the hair. Yes, and so this is the Yvonne. How do you feel? Yeah, do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
I feel when I see the mirror, I shall absolutely love it.
Yes. And do you want to say hi to everybody there in the world?
Oh, hello to everybody. I found a fantastic hairdresser.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Hair Design. Thank you very much for watching us. We wish you a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye.